to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Ma Moon. Got a beautiful episode for you today. If you're feeling stressed, overwhelmed, anxious, depressed, insecure, angry, tired, lazy, resentful, revengeful, or perhaps even loving, joyful, peaceful, whatsoever you feel today, reminding you that you're not alone. We're going to take some deep breaths and release stress, release worries. Come back to trust, come back to love. That being said, get into a comfortable seated position where you can be aware of your posture, aware of how you're sat. Closing your eyes, bringing your attention inside, noticing how you feel, witnessing and welcoming your inner world. Taking a deep breath in through the nose and exhaling. Breathing in new life, new energy. Exhale out. Breathing in love for yourself. Exhaling love to your space. Breathing in trust in the unfolding of life. Exhaling, letting go of worries, insecurities, fears, feeling it leave the mind, leave the body. Feeling negativity dissolve in the face of our awareness, our trust, our gratitude. Grateful to live another day, to make another video, to play this instrument again, to sit with you, my friend. Thank you for joining me today. Breathing in, breathing out. Inhaling new life, new energy. And exhaling past, future, letting it go. Coming back into the present moment as you drop the shoulders away from your ears. Relaxing your jaw, the lips, the forehead. Becoming more aware. The past is history. The future is a mystery. And the present is a gift, which is why we call it the present. Taking a deep breath in. Hold. And exhale out. And if your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind be totally free to think. Relaxing your belly, feeling the air drop down from the chest into the belly, pushing the belly outwards ever so slightly. Relaxing the jaw, feeling your face melting, any tensions just melting away in the face. And I want you to follow this sound until you can't hear it anymore. Taking a deep breath in, holding the breath at the top. And exhale slowly, softly, letting go. And for a few moments, I want you to bring all your energy, all your focus inside, looking inwards with eyes closed, keeping the body as still as possible, witnessing and welcoming all that you observe. Very good, my friend. Way to stick with it. Letting go of thoughts now, letting the mind be free. Letting your body be free to move around if it needs to. Feeling a subtle smile bubbling up in the chest, spreading to the face, spreading to the belly. New opportunities to love, to create, to contribute to other human beings in a positive way, to laugh, to cry, to forgive, to let go. Breathing in. And breathing out. Breathing in trust for your life. Exhaling trust in others. Breathing in forgiveness for any mistakes that have been made recently. And exhaling compassion. Feeling compassion spread throughout your space. Breathing in love for your mind, for your body, for your emotions. Exhale, letting go of any fears, any anger, simply letting it go. Breathing in joyfulness to be alive. Exhaling any sadness, any resentfulness, any criticalness, letting it go. Breathing in slower and softer. And exhaling even slower, even softer. Inhale through the nose. And exhale out the mouth. Coming present in the moment, letting go of future, letting go of past. Feeling balanced, feeling grounded in this moment. Feeling rooted in your body, rooted in your posture. Becoming aware of your space, aware of how you're sat, aware of how you feel after taking some deep breaths. Breathing in once more through the nose. And once more out the mouth. The color for today is navy. The number is 97. And the animal is a jaguar. Thank you for joining me across time and space. If you're joining me on YouTube, remember that we're serving families impacted by autism at www.moneybackmindfulness.com. Still getting used to the new name. Shout out to all the people listening who been there since the 14-step days. We're on a new path, making changes, progressing, evolving, just like yourself. Be patient with the growth. Be patient with your own progress. Stay consistent. Stay persistent on your path. You got this. You can do it. Don't underestimate the power of telling yourself you can do it. It may sound cheesy or cliche, but super powerful thing to say to yourself. How often do we say, I can't do this. I just can't. No, you can. We can do it. Sending you a big hug. Wishing you love, wishing you healing, wishing you prosperity, abundance, wealth, health, laughter, love, creativity, thinking outside of the box. Stay focused, stay light, stay positive. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.